Hi everybody, it's Lisa of Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video today. There's a couple things I want to tell you. This video will come out on the 24th, I believe, on a Thursday. The 21st is the one that you need to comment under. I will probably put out a special little video to announce the prize winners and remind them that they have to email me or message me with their address and everything so I can send out their prizes so they can tell me what they want and everything. So don't forget to comment on the video on the 21st when it comes out. Okay, I want to show you the painting from my last video. Isn't this gorgeous? It's so stunning. Look at the mutant shift paints. They're beautiful. And the 14K gold, look at it shimmer. You can't see it very well on camera, but man, does it shimmer. It's stunning. And I noticed when I watched my video back, you couldn't see a whole lot at the top. I'm sorry about that. I will try and do better with that. Try and do better and watch what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. I have a 14 by 14 canvas, and I saw that Molly from Molly's Artistry, she is a fantastic artist. She had one of these cups, and it looked so cool that she did a straight pour with it, and it looked so cool that I went and got one. Sorry, Molly, I'm kind of copying after you, but I admire you a lot. So I'm gonna fill it up, and I think I'll just do a straight pour like she did and see what comes out of it. But this is kind of cool. It's very narrow, so it should be a really cool pour. And I'm gonna list all my colors in the description below, because these are ones that I've used this week. And I don't have them wrote down. I think I just have enough for one layer. So I hope it's enough for this canvas. I know this is the 14 karat gold. Can't deny seeing that. It's beautiful. And this is the Mutant Shift. It's ultraviolet. This is the aqua in the Mutant Shift paint. I hope this is enough paint, because that's all I got. I have some white here that give it a stir. Some right on the top, and then I can use as a flow extender if I need to. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Just gonna do a straight pour right in the middle. cup is so cool. Look at those colors in there. Aren't those gorgeous? See them? It's hard to get this camera when you're looking. There they are. And there's no silicone in any of my paints. Look at that. You see some air bubbles, so you always want to pop those so they don't make divots in your paint. You can see the shimmer already. Oh my gosh. I am going to put some down around the corners, just for a flow extender. Make it flow easier. Go. I think that'll be good. Okay, let's tilt and see how it comes out. Let's move that back a little. I always do that. Look over all my sticks and stuff. All right. See how she flows. Want to lose the bring it back. Don't want to lose the reds that I have, or the one of them I know is Winsor Permanent Rose, and I do have a magenta, and I don't want to lose that. I think we'd end up with mostly all blue, and I don't want to do that. There we go. Okay, let's bring this back to the middle. All right, let's turn it around. Let's see what we have. Go this way a little bit, see what happens. Back and get that. There. My stick back. Oh. Yeah, now I think I like that composition, because I wanted to keep some of the maroon and the didn't want it to turn out all blue, so I think that is really gonna look nice, just about like that. Let's see about my sides. I think they're all good to go. looks really good. Let's give it one last torch. Alright, that looks pretty darn good. Give you a close up. There's some magenta and the rose colored. There's that gold. I think the mutant colors are coming through. That's pretty beautiful if you ask me. Looks really nice. Okay, let's see. I'm going to be announcing the winners after the 21st. So keep that in mind, that you need to comment, subscribe, and comment. That'll be over with. And I'll announce the winners. Like I said, I'll probably put up a separate little video just talking and tell you who the winners are and how they can email me or message me. So that's really exciting. Got that coming up. Can't wait to find out who wins. Oh gosh. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Always love to hear from you. Share with your family and friends. Oh, that's about it for today. And as always, please have a great day.